Hi, I'm Mark from the Landscape Academy, and today we're going to look at the installation guide for clay pavers.
Clay pavers are a great versatile product and can be installed as patios, pathways and edging details. Today we are installing a pathway. Clay pavers are available in a variety of different colours, shapes and sizes. Remember to mix your packs to give an even distribution of colour. Measure and mark out the area with the recommended fall rate. Carefully excavate the area. Install a geotextile membrane for stability and structure. For a domestic patio, add a minimum of 100 mm of compacted MOT Type 1 hardcore. You may need to add more depending on the ground conditions and the end use. Consolidate at 50 to 75 mm depths with a compactor plate. Measure and set out string lines for paving installation. And make sure to allow for the appropriate fall rate for the product. Install an edge restraint first. In this case, we've installed a brick edge detail on a bed of semi-dry gravel, sand and cement mix at a ratio of 5:1 to provide stability. Use the cement mix to haunch the outer edge, giving it support and to help prevent it from moving. With the edge restraints in, install a screed material to a depth of approximately 40 to 50 mm. Today we've used a limestone dust. London Stone recommend a moist grit sand. Building sand is not recommended. The screed should sit slightly high to allow for compaction once the pavers have been installed. Once the screed has been installed, lightly compact with a compactor plate. To finish, pull a screed board across the top to create a smooth profiled lane surface at the right depth. Start to lay the pavers in the chosen pattern, gapping them as required.
Part of the charm and the character of these clay bricks is the fact that they come in various sizes and shapes and slightly different colours. This particular one's got a slight bend in it, so just be aware of that as and when you're installing them. Because of the variation in these clay pavers in their size and shape, it's an important tip just to remember as you install them in the lines, make sure that you measure constantly. Measure from the point of the square where you started off so that the lines don't run out of true.
Sand fill between the joints as you go, using a dry fine jointing sand to help keep the structure of the path or the patio. To compact, use a compactor plate with a rubber sole plate to avoid damage to the pavers. Be careful not to touch the edges with the compactor plate. Finally sand again and brush to complete the job. London Stone's clay paving is a sustainable and a beautiful option for any outdoor living space.